How to fix MLB app not installed error on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, then it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. So make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi. If not, head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, you have to make sure that you have enough space on your device iPhone. Sometimes it might be full and the application might not work, so make sure to clear some space if you don't have. Now the next thing you want to do is go back to home page and move into the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, search for MLB App. Move into this app. Well, if the application is not up to date, then simply click on Update and update the application. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.